cybersecurity, adaptation of 3D printing,
advancements in robotics,
cybersecurity,
3D printing,
robot-assisted
develops extremely lifelike robots for human-robot interactions. We're designing these robots to serve in healthcare, therapy, education, and customer service applications. So the robots are designed to look very human-like, like Sophia.
I'm already very interested in design, technology, and the environment.
Visualize a world where the line between the reality and fantasy blurs, where robots are not just the figments of our imagination, but the tangible companions enhancing every aspect of our life. Are you ready to step into this extraordinary future? Hold on tight as we venture into the heart of robotics, where innovation knows no bounds. Welcome, pioneers of the future. Get ready to embark on an electrifying journey through the mesmerizing world of robotics, where dreams ignite the flames of innovation and machines stand as our steadfast companions in progress. Fasten your seatbelts because this journey promises excitement at every turn. Starting from entertainment to innovation. Let's rewind the clock to the early days when robots made their first appearance on the Indian entertainment scene. From robotic attractions in amusement park to the robotic dance performance mesmerizing the audience. These mechanical wonders captured our imagination and sparked the seeds of curiosity. The rise of Indian ingenuity. Driven by a relentless spirit of innovation, Indian scientists and engineers began to explore the possibility of robotics beyond the entertainment. Institutions like the Indian Institute of Technology (IIT) and research organizations such as Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) played pivotal roles in laying the foundation for robotic research and development in India. Fundamental of robotics. From the intricate dance of circuits to the mesmerizing symphony of algorithms, the fundamental of robotics lay the groundwork for tomorrow's marvels. Join us as we delve into the captivating fusion of mechanics and intelligence, where each bolt and wire holds the key to unlocking groundbreaking discoveries. In the realm of robotics, the journey from imagination to creation is nothing short of magical.
What are your thoughts on the ethical implications of integrating robots into various aspects of society, such as healthcare, education, and agriculture? Inventor Robotics Mitra is now deployed in hospitals across India, assisting healthcare workers with a task like patient interaction, taking vitals, and delivering medication. These humanoid robots are easing the burden on the medical staff and providing valuable support in patient care. Indian farmers are embracing robotic solutions for precision agriculture, utilizing drones and automated machinery to monitor crops, apply fertilizers and pesticides, and optimize irrigation. This technology is improving crop yields, reducing resource usage, and enhancing sustainability in Indian agriculture. Indian manufacturing industries, particularly automotive, are adopting robotics for assembly line automation. Robots are used for tasks like welding, painting, assembly, increasing productivity, improving quality, and reducing production cost. The Indian government's Atal Innovation Mission has established ATLs in schools across the country, providing students with hands-on experience in robotics and STEM education. These labs are fostering a culture of innovation and preparing the next generation of Indian innovators and problem solvers.
In what ways do you see robotic revolutionizing industries beyond healthcare education, space exploration, and agriculture? Medical robotics. Advancement in medical robotics are poised to revolutionize healthcare delivery in India, with surgical robots offering greater precision, minimally invasive procedures, and faster recovery times. Telemedicine robots equipped with AI could also enable remote healthcare consultations in rural areas, bridging the gap in healthcare access. Autonomous vehicles. India is on the cusp of embracing autonomous vehicles with the research and development underway to create self-driving cars and buses. These vehicles have the potential to reduce accidents, elevate traffic congestion, and enhance transportation efficiency in urban areas like Mumbai and Delhi. Robot-assisted elderly care. With India's aging population on the rise, there is a growing need for robot-assisted elderly care. Companion robots equipped with AI and sensors could provide assistance with daily tasks, monitor health parameters, and offer companionship to seniors, improving their quality of life and independence. Environmental robotics. Robotics could play a significant role in environmental conservation efforts in India. Autonomous drones equipped with sensors could monitor air and water quality, detect pollution hotspots, and aid in wildlife conservation in ecological sensitive areas like Sundarbans and Western Ghats.
How can we ensure that advancements in robotics are accessible and beneficial to all communities regardless of socioeconomic status? Immerse yourself in the transformative realm of robotics education, where students embark on exhilarating learning adventures and hone essential skills through hands-on exploration. Let's ignite the flames of curiosity and innovation in the minds of the next generation, empowering them to become the architects of tomorrow's world. Embark on a thrilling odyssey through the cosmos as robots pioneer the exploration of uncharted territories, from distant galaxies to the depth of the space. Discover how robotics is unraveling the mysteries of the universe and propelling humanity towards unprecedented discoveries. With each robotic mission, we edge closer to unlocking the secrets of cosmos.
What would be the most nightmare scenario you can imagine with AI and robotics that might present a danger to people?
The most nightmare scenario I can imagine with AI and robotics is a world where robots have become so powerful that they are able to control or manipulate humans without their knowledge. This could lead to an oppressive society where the rights of individuals are no longer respected.
The thrilling frontier of robotics. Brace yourself for an electrifying glimpse into the future of robotics, where machines evolve from mere tools to trusted companies and guide on a journey into the unknown. With every innovation, we redefine the boundaries of possibilities and embark on the exhilarating adventures into the uncharted territories. Explore the seamless fusion of a man and a machine, where robotic exoskeletons amplify human strength and neural interfaces blur the lines between flesh and circuitry. In this symbiotic relationship, humans and robots unite to unlock new potentials and forge a future where limitations are but a distant memory.
As we bid farewell to this exciting voyage in the world of robotics, let us carry with these sparks of innovation, the flames of curiosity, and the unwavering belief in a future where anything is possible. Robotics is not just about machines, it is about the people behind them, the dreamers, the innovators, and the visionaries. Together, let us dare to dream, innovate, and shape a future where the only limit is our imagination.